This is my Keychron K8 Pro, one of the very first mechanical keyboards I ever bought, and the board that pulled me right into the hobby. Since then, I've completely transformed it. I added EVA foam between the plate and PCB, more foam between the PCB and case, plus kill mat and polyfill to kill hollow sounds. Finished it off with a few layers of tape. It is now running Gateron Milky Reds with Keychron wheat keycaps, and the result is a sound that's creamy, deep, and insanely thocky. Here, have a listen.